Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious simple fresh fruit dessert cups recipe which we are going to make with only few ingredients. So let's get started. For this, first of all, take a grinding jar and add in 1/4 cup of chocos into it and 4 to 5 biscuits of any flavor. Here I'm going to use in any flavor of chocolate biscuit. Now add in 2 teaspoons of chocolate oats into it. In case you don't have any one of the ingredient, you can use even all biscuits or even all the chocos or even the chocolate oats. Any one you can use to make this powder. Now take the dessert cups and line them by adding in 1 teaspoon of the prepared mixture and leveling it as shown in the video. This way level it up. Now here I am having the fresh fruit crush, so I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon and level it up. In case you don't have the fresh fruit crush, whatever fruits that are available, do grind it and cook it by adding in 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar and little bit of water. Your instant fresh fruit crush will be ready. Now here also I'm having in boiled vermicelli of green color. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon in all the dessert cups. And finally going to top it with the chopped fresh fruits. Any seasonal fruits that are present in your home, you can chop them finely and use it. So layer it finally with the chopped fruits and now garnish it accordingly. You can even leave it as it is to make it even more attractive. I'm going to top it with some fresh whipped cream as shown in the video. So this is totally optional. You can even top it with some malai or any way that you wish for. So here I have topped it with some green whipped cream too, and finally with cherries, and I'm also topping it with few pink colored pearls. This is all totally optional. You can top it or garnish it the any way that you prefer or like. And that is so simple and easy. Within few ingredients, our delicious dessert cups are ready. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section. Do subscribe for more videos. We'll meet you in the next recipe.